We are searching for Queen Beatrice. We did not see her last week. And I'm sure she's still here, but we just didn't see her. Oh, look at that
this
frame.
one's being built.
That's really good frame being built there. That's nice. Okay, turn it around. That one looks really good, actually.
No queen there? No?
I don't see her there.
Because I think they need to get it fully built in there. So
okay. That's where she's going to lay her eggs. Let's check the other one. So let's check the original frames.
Ooh, this one's heavy.
It's heavy? Ooh. There's some nice brood in this one. Wow, this one's almost like pretty full of brood. That's good. It's capped. Okay, turn it around. It's heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Can you turn it? Okay. That one's good. No queen here.
Queen Beatrice.
I don't see her. Let's try another one. No. I see a lot of brood. A lot of little babies. Baby bees. Turn it.
This one's heavy, so I have to do it on the side.
Okay.
Nothing?
No, she's not here. Third one out of the heavy ones. This one's heavy?
Yep. Well, no, not really.
A lot of capped.
No queen on that one?
No.
I don't see her on this one.
She's not there?
No, check.
Wow. No, I don't see her. Oh no, that's not good, huh? You have two other main ones and then two. Okay, come on, Queen Beatrice, where are you at? Man, I don't see her here. She's supposed to have a white dot. What if she lost the white dot? Okay,
turn
it
around. They ate it up like you know how
turn it around.
Newbie said.
It's like we're looking for the white dot, but we should probably be looking for her size. Nope. Okay, let's check the next ones, and if we don't see, we're gonna have to keep looking for a missing dot, I guess. No. Do you see her over there?
No, I don't see. They buy, no.
Let me see. That's some good captive brood there.
Look, someone left a stinger right there.
What? This looks like a leg.
Okay. Did we do this one? Yeah, we did. I just didn't scoop it.
If you didn't have your hood on, you would probably be stung like 20 times.
20 lives gone right there. This is very light.
It's nice framing that they have. Turn it around. Do you see her on that side? No, we don't see her. Let's try the last one.
Oh yeah, found her.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you want me to try to like move her here?
Yes, maybe.
Maybe she can't find her way.
Put her.
No.
There, she found it? Okay,
I
good.
think so.
Yeah, she did. She needs to find spots to lay her eggs, and there's nothing on this frame. Okay.
Yes. Back. Yes.
We're done.
We found her.
That was an important task today, is to find the queen.